Justice of India and most judges of Supreme Court along with their spouses are on a two-day retreat in Rajasthan's Ranthambore. The judges travelled in buses without beacons or escorts. The judges travelled to Ranthambore on Friday afternoon after completing their duty. According to reports, these judges along with their spouses travelled in two Volvo buses. Sources tell Times Now that the expense for the journey is being borne by the judges. Take a look at this report.
And Times Now is the only channel covering, in fact, this unique safari trip of the judges. They called it a sojourn, they call it a getaway, they called it a break from their hectic schedule. And very significantly, Justice Gavai also told us that at the resort, they are staying at the Ranthambore Taj Savai Ranthambore Resort. They said that they'll also be discussing and very serious issues regarding the judiciary in a very stress-free atmosphere, far away from Delhi. They're in fact taking a break. They're excited. Just now they spoke to Times Now. The Justice B.R. Gavai and this Dipankar Datta said that they hope to see some tigers. They have just come for that and to take a break. And they are, very importantly, they are also accompanied by their spouses. What is important is that in this trip, they are bearing all the expenses from their pocket for traveling, for accommodation, and also they said that they will not be using any funds of the judiciary or the government. It was a sight, very unique sight, two Volvo buses escorted by 14 jeeps of the state administration and the Rajasthan police. We are joined by the Chief Justice of India, B.R. Gavai. They are on set for the Ranthambore getaway sojourn. How do you feel, sir?
No, it's a nice feeling. All of us are together, just relaxing and some free time from the hustle bustle of the work and amidst beautiful nature.
Yeah, it's a great feeling that all of us are together, and we thought that we utilize the weekend just for recreational activities, and that's what. Let's see that how successful we are inside the forest.
So all the best for tiger sightings, sir.
Thank you very much.
Justice Dipankar Datta.
How are you, sir? I'm fine. Wonderful experience to be here. We hope to sight some tigers. That is the real purpose for this safari. There are other people also. You can go ahead.
Thank you so much.
And with this, we will slip into a very short break. We'll be back with more. Stay with us.